Good morning, children, to everyone. Let us take worksheet number 5, the silver turtle. Page number 30, page number 32. Sorry, page number 32. The silver turtle. So, my dear children, yesterday I read this particular story. Today, let us explain again this particular lesson and try to understand that what happened to this particular boy called Tarun. As I told yesterday, it is a legal lesson from the text or from the chapter. A funny thing happened. See, in that particular chapter, that girl was in a dreamland. In other words, she was dreaming, and then she was sometimes in the forest, and sometimes she was running. Sometimes she was in a old fortress, and then afterwards she got wet and she enjoyed. In other words, she had a rain bath. So similar things are happening to this particular boy here. So let us take the first paragraph, the fourth line onwards. Yesterday I had explained something for you, or yesterday I explained to you. So let us take the middle of the line, the fourth line from there. So let us continue now. Page number 32. Tarun had gone too far chasing the waves. So this particular boy called Tarun was enjoying the seashore. He had taken his kite, and then he was in a very good places. He was moving here and there, and then he was enjoying there. He was also flying kite. So what happened? Tarun had gone too far chasing the waves. So Tarun was chasing the waves. Yesterday I told you wave, the water wave or the sea waves were coming and going. So he was very happy. Now, so he went behind that waves, and he had gone too far. Let us see next time. It was a full moon night, and the sea looked beautiful. Full moon night, full moon. Full moon when there is fully light in the night time. So it is a full moon when the moon grows bigger and it gives full light. That is called full moon light. So it was the full moon night, and then what happened? The sea was looking very, very beautiful. It looked as if someone had spilled silver color all over the sea. Someone had someone had something, the liquid or some other things, when it falls, it spreads in the water and so on. Then we can see that everywhere the oily color. Similarly, here something had fallen there, or something was thrown over there. And what was that? It was silver color, which was shining, and it was due to the full moon night. Whole area was looking silver in color. So someone had spilled silver color all over the sea. So everywhere it was looking silver color. The sand was also looking, and then water was also looking silver in color. Next line. I wish I could walk on the waves, said Tarun to himself, and sat down on the shore. Tarun was very happy. He was enjoying at the beach, and then it was already night. Now what to do? He did not realize that he was in dark because it was looking like day due to the full moon. Next paragraph. Suddenly he saw a massive silver turtle swimming towards him. Suddenly, immediately, massive, very big or huge turtle. It is sea turtle. Sea turtle having leathery shell, having shell, sea turtle, there is shell hard cover, and so this turtle usually live in the sea, and this turtle only come when in a year they come out in the sand and they lay eggs. So that is called turtle. So this turtles live in the sea, in the ocean. So immediately he has seen that particular turtle. Next time, he ran towards the turtle and tried to catch it. So he wanted to catch this particular turtle, but it was not possible for him because the waves were coming and going. The turtle was seen, but he could not catch also. Let us see next line. But what came in his hand was silver sand. He could not catch only the silver sand came in his hand, because the sand was mixed in the water, and then even the sands were floating. And so when he tried to catch this turtle, he could not catch. Only silver sands were in his hands. He couldn't catch it. Next time. It sparkled under the full moon. It sparkled, shining sparkle. Sparkled, shine brightly. So what happened? This boy couldn't catch the turtle. Immediately the turtle also went along with the waves. So only, and after going in the water, it was shining like full moon. And in other words, it was shining very bright. It was shining. It sparkled under the full moon. Before Tarun could think of anything, he felt some water droplets on his cheeks, on his face. So in that, a funny thing happened, that girl also felt something on her own cheeks. She felt the first raindrops on her cheeks. Similarly, this boy is having experience of water droplets on his face. You see how the lesson is linked. So that boy or that girl in the main textbook, he also felt water droplets on her cheeks, and now this boy also has felt same experience there. Next line. Tarun, you are late for school again, shouted his brother. His brother told, my dear boy, you are late for school. You are only having dream, or you are having only enjoyment at the sea beach. You are not thinking about your school. So you are late. Now in that particular chapter, as I told you, that girl was having dream. She was only having lot of imagination, and she was traveling from one place to another place through her own dreams. Similarly, this boy is also having that type of dream. He is now therefore late for the school, and therefore he has been lost in his imagination, or he is lost in the dreamland. So my dear children, some things are left here. I will continue again. I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.